Today we're gonna be installing my 10 back in the truck. I'm only pulling one back in there. I used to have two, but due to the flood, you know, everything got wet, the box expanded, it got fucked up. So I'm only gonna put one, and I'll show you why in a little bit. Got that box for like 70 bucks on Amazon. I've had that speaker since that was my last setup, and I'm about to use these power drills to clean up, cut off the edge a little bit. I got the clips on the end already, looking good. The other side I left the wire a little long, because that's gonna go on the sub side, and then on the other, this clip side is gonna go on the box. Got my boy Chango here clean the hole up, because it's a snug fit. I guess it's just this 8-inch, or no, 10-inch I got. This is the second box we have, and then we have to fucking clean it up. Make it even, way.
Oh, good.
That's why I have it laying down. Yeah, we'll update you on a little bit when we get it in there. We put it in the truck. But all we're gonna do is, got the screws already. I like using those screws. We've been using those screws for a while. For all our shit. No leaks. Anyway, it's gonna be a snug fit. Well, y'all could tell from the last box. See all that wood shit. And they do still work. I tried them on a couple months ago. Well, during the flood, I tried them to make sure they were good before I threw them out. Still good. But yeah, I got the drill right there. We hit it with the little Dremel for a little bit. We use an 80 grit disc. Went around it several times. It's a little dirty, but it'll come off. Who cares? This is the bottom. Ain't nobody gonna see it. It's face down. My boy bought a orange is positive, blue is negative. My boy's about to wire it up and clip it on there. Hook it up on the truck. Call it a day. Well, obviously screw it down and shit. But it's a fucking good box. The last box that I had was made out of particle, like that shit.
Shitty.
I ordered it, except for the face. The face was made out of this good stuff. So we'll check it out. Maybe we'll port it. Maybe not. We're just gonna hear how it sounds. And once we port it, we can't go back. I'm about to turn on the camera. Alright, we're recording on Chango's phone. Just got to the truck, wired it up. It's not that hard, positive and negative, y'all know the deal. There is a little gap. I think that's because the speaker's fucking weird. We put that bitch in there good. This is what it's gonna look like. So the other side, I'm gonna put my nitrous bottle brackets. I gotta order those, so it could be tucked up under there. I mean, I do like the loud sounds, but fuck, I'd rather have some power. You feel me? Yes, I got some. In this bag, a box, I have 60-pound injectors and the Walbro 525 pump off the Hellcat and shit. But yeah, the box is pretty clean. About to play some copyright-free music. The YouTube, see how it bass sounds. Yeah, hop off the Wi-Fi because we're in front of the house. What is it? Is that boy Chango right here? Put the bass up. What is on? Hold on. Oh yeah. pour it? That was sounding good right there.
It's all the way.
Leave it. You don't want to fuck it up. Make it louder and shit. Ooh. That sounded pretty dope, huh? Something alright. For 110. I mean, it's not for competition and shit. Like these niggas' trucks and shit, banging hard as fuck. But yeah, like I said, there's gonna be 2 bottles on there. I'm gonna put the dual bracket. But the valve tied into 1 line, so it's gonna be split lines.
What's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Simon Servita, and today I'm going to teach you guys about 808.
Spell red.
Red, L-S-T-E-R.
What happens when you let a dumbass use your phone and shit?
Dumbass.
Shut the fuck up, bitch.
Stupid ass YouTubers.
Alright, play some fucking bass that shit, nigga. But yeah, like all my audio, I ran Pioneer and shit, just simple, and that's it. Not like these niggas, you guys got dB and shit. My dad's about to put some sound downs in his new truck. But I'm about that fast life, guys. I'm trying to go quick. I'm not trying to bang. Knock one volume down on the phone. Put the volume up on the radio. Turn the trip on. Try to turn the trip on. A few pumps ash, guys. That's what's wrong with my truck. Give it a little gas. Keep it steady. Oh, nah, that bitch is dead. Well, that's it for this video, guys. We don't want to drain the fucking battery either. See you on the next one. Turn the lights off. Shit. All right, guys.
I never ask nothing from no nigga. I slide through the crib with some gold on my fist, nigga. We never tripped on you hoe niggas. I leave some shots on your block. If you thought you was hot, you a cold nigga. If niggas want pain, I go Martin with Tommy.